Brands were once the only way that processors could invest in value added, but now things are changing. Fonterra is selling off their branded business. They're seeing a much better return in food service. Unilever are selling off their ice cream business. But what is value added? Value added is not brands anymore, because we found out from Miles Hurrell and Mike McBride when they spoke at a conference this week about the value of brands, and brands are actually not giving the same returns as food service, for example. This is why Fonterra are selling off their brand portfolio. We've also seen this by Unilever. So Unilever are also selling off all their ice cream. Well, I'm not sure if you can actually call it ice cream because there's very little cream in it anymore. But the Unilever CEO, Hein Schumacher, used to be the CEO of FrieslandCampina, the largest milk processor in Holland. Now, Hein has unique insight into brands and brand strategies, and they're actually getting rid of all their brands. So two massive companies, Fonterra and Unilever, getting rid of their brands. So I think we can categorically say that the value really isn't in brands. But what this also shows is that with brands, you also need to have great products coming into them. And those products need to be produced by dairy farmers and all those processors. So the demand isn't going to go away because the brands are still going to be there, but how it's going to get distributed from the processor into the brand. So what this really shows is the market is moving towards commodity trading. So the values can be extracted using financial instruments and various different methods, rather than having to use a brand and using all the overhead and the cost associated with managing a brand. So what does this mean for farmers? You need to ask your processor if they're using financial tools to manage the risk. Do they actually understand the risk? And are they using the financial tools to extract maximum value from the market? So if your processor is not using these financial tools, this means you are fully exposed to market volatility. So you ride the wave exactly the same as everybody else. But if they are using the tools, you will be insulated and you will be protected. And your process will be able to lock out some good future value for you.